Hey, this is Rene, welcome back to another video, and today I will be talking about the money flow index strategy. This is an expert advisor, so an automated trading program that I wrote in the last video. So if you haven't watched it, you should go back and watch it, otherwise you will not really understand what we are doing here. So, oh, and by the way, if you want to support the channel, the best and easiest way is to subscribe and leave a like, and also a comment if you want. So that would be highly appreciated. And now let's go and jump right into the analysis. So I did some testing, and I did two optimizations until now. And just to give you a little bit of insight in my optimization and testing methods. So the first test I did was I used the take profit percent, the SL percent as optimization parameters. And I left the upper and the lower buy and sell level for the money flow index indicator as they were in the programming, so 80 and 20, and it gave me these results. So in total, I optimized from 0.1% for the TP and 0.1% from the SL up to 0.5 for each. So that's 25 optimization runs in total. And if you are wondering why we cannot see these parameters at the right side where they usually are, this is because I made some changes to the expert advisor after this. And this is what I will explain later on. But first of all, you can see most of these results were not really good, but we still had two positive results. And there was one parameter that I haven't checked yet, which was the the levels. So we had 80 and 20, and this was fixed for all of the 25 test runs. So I wanted to test the levels also. So maybe it would be better to test 15 and 58, because then we have less signals, but these signals might be better. And if I now go ahead and optimize the upper and lower level, this would result in a lot of optimization runs because there are two parameters. So what I did is I took both of these two parameters and I made them one. So the code now looks like this. Instead of the MFE buy and sell level, I only have the MFI level now, which is a default of 10. And because for the buy and sell level, we had 80 and 20 before. And these levels are 20 below 100 and 20 above 0. So we could do the same with 90 and 10, right? Or 85 and 15. So the distance from 100 is always the same as from 0. So for the buy and sell level. So what we can do, instead of having two parameters, we could only have one and say these are always 100 minus the MFI level. And these are also 0, always 0 plus the MFI level. So I only have one parameter now, and the calculation is now like this. So I only check, before this I checked here if the MFE is above the sell level, but now after the change I just check if the MFE is above 100 minus this MFI level input. And same for here and for here. So these are the three lines pretty much that are changed. And of course I made a change here because I took away these two level parameters and made them one. So if we compile this now, we can see that in the inputs, we now only have three parameters, and this makes optimization a lot more efficient. So this is something I always look for in an expert advisor if I'm optimizing. So is there any way to make the testing more efficient so I need less test runs? Yes, because it makes a really huge impact. If I would test the levels separately and both would be 4 steps, then I would have, need to test instead of 60, I would have 240 tests. So this is a really big difference, which might be 1 hour of computer working time. So let's go back to the optimization results. So the last test was, as I told you, with 3 parameters tested, so the MFI level, the TP%, and the SL%. And a MFI level of 16 now means that we have a cell level of 84 and a buy level of 16. And as you can see now, with the optimization, also considering the MFI level, the optimization results are a lot better. So now we see results that have a profit factor of up to 1.11, which is quite okay for just 2 optimization runs. So this is definitely something you could build on. But still, you would have to check if this was like some weird coincidence. So there would be some more testing needed to figure out what really works. But as you can see, like small adjustments in the code can already make a difference and can make testing better. So with the current version of this program for the last 7 years, we would have profitable setups already. But of course, there are a lot of losing setups also. But for now, let's just select the top, the very best test here and make a single back test. So let's wait until it is loaded. And here you can see this would be like the performance in a testing environment, of course. So this is not really working with slippage and stuff like this. But this would be the performance if we would choose like the best possible settings for the last 7 years or so. And as you can see, there are good times and bad times as with any system. But in the end, we made a kind of nice profit. And we can also have a look at the results here. Like the key figures. If you want to have a deeper look, you can pause the video. And yeah, this was always tested, like every test was in the EURUSD 1 hour time frame chart. Okay, so this is it for this first testing video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Do you like this? Expert advisor, maybe you did your own testing. Then let me know what your settings were, what your best results are. And if you want to see some more adjustments to the system itself, you can also make suggestions in the comment section. I will have a look at it and maybe add 1 or 2 more functions to this program if some of you guys request it. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope that you were able to copy everything from this program. Again, I did not show the programming in this video, so go back to the previous video if you're interested in the programming part. Yeah, and in the end, I hope that you will have good trades and a good time. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.